right now, Swagger Pie, and I'm just making a little thing. Okay, so before we start this video, the graphics are a bit odd because I stuffed up editing the video, but still not bad graphics. We caught fishes, and I made them scream, so it takes a while for them to scream and stuff. So wait for it to edit all the screaming and stuff. So wait until the just wait. It takes a while for it to load, and yep, just keep watching it. And me and my friend went fishing. I know they're not big fish, but there's eels there, and there's stuff, perches, and we barbecued them. But I couldn't have video of that because that was the next day. Anyway, see you guys. Have fun in the video. Goodbye.
You want me to show you tough? I'll show you tough. Hey! 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 I never lose!
Come on.